Well, I feel education is very important for everyone, whether it is a girl or a boy. I strongly feel that every girl has a right to education, and they should be given the avenue and the opportunity to not just complete high school, but also to go to college learning, to take their dream forward to higher learning. And Udayan Shalini Fellowship has provided that avenue. They have opened the doors of opportunity for those girls who may have limited resources, but they have strong will and determination to do something in their life.
We have 13 PhDs, we've got 130 doctors, we've got 120 engineers, we've got 109 teachers, we've got 33 CAs, and the list goes on. So you can imagine how this program has impacted the lives of young girls.
Being a startup, we thought that want to be associated with Udayan Shalini, which believes in imparting education and education in the right way. So it's not only in terms of giving money, but the way Udayan Shalini is completely process driven, making sure that these girls become something in their life, they get a direction in life, and that's how we got associated with Udayan Shalini.
So basically we appoint one mentor for two girls. Now the mentor becomes the window for them, who shows them the outside world, becomes a guide, becomes a coach, tells them what is wrong, right, helps them to choose the right, make right decisions. So we organize wonderful workshops for them, which help them to build their confidence, which help them to build their communication, and they actually become world ready. So we empower our girls to be independent women, leaders. We want them to be responsible citizens for tomorrow.
वे डिसाइडेड नहीं था कि मैं कहाँ जाऊँगी, क्या करूँगी, तभी ऐसे कि हाँ आगे जाएंगे, सोच लेंगे क्या है क्या नहीं।
2018 में जो मैं थी उसकी बजाय मैं अभी देख रही हूँ 21 में, तो मेरे में जो मतलब चेंज आया है वो बहुत बड़ा है।
फीस है, फिर ओन एक्सपेंस है, वो हम उससे भी मैनेज कर सकते हैं और फैमिली को ज़्यादा लोड भी नहीं आएगा और ज़्यादातर पैसे भी नहीं मांगने पड़ेंगे घर वालों से।
Listening to their stories is always heart-wrenching. They may come from humble backgrounds, but when I see the enthusiasm and confidence in them, then I know that for sure these girls are going to make it big and they're going to do something really, really good in life. They don't have to think, that, oh, I don't have the means of, the resources or the means. Udayan Shalini is there to hold my hand, along with White Willow, to take me to my dream.
Now, when you're starting a new chapter in a city, you need strong support, because all these kind of work happens only if you have people supporting you. And सबसे बड़ा support होता है finance. Okay, a lot of people tell you I'm there for you, but they are there, but they're not really there. So I can say that we could just rely on White Willow because they always were there for us.
The White Willow is a digital-first D2C, a leading online brand that offers comfort and sleep-based solutions developed from German technology by BSF. White Willow stands for its philosophy of giving back, and that is how we partnered with Udayan Shalini Fellowship.
Currently, we are sponsoring the education of 3-girl child, and currently we are looking in terms of our vision is to reach 100 plus in the next coming 3 years, and we want the White Willow to be a purpose-driven brand and organization rather than having only numbers in place.
Udayan Shalini has given wings to these Shalinis, and we at the White Willow will do everything that it takes to make these Shalinis fly.